in peace I will lie down and sleep, for you alone. Lord, make me dwell in safety. Psalm chapter 4, verses 8. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. I believe we have Wele lovers on this channel. If you want them, please raise your hands up in the comment section, because this recipe is for you. We are going to make one of the most delicious smoky wele or cow skin tomato stew. This is fire. It is fireworks. So delicious. I want you to stay tuned, because you're going to be making this over and over again. Stay glued and let's get started. And as always, I have listed each and every ingredient needed down below in the description box. Without further ado, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. Let's get right into it. So here I have my cow skin or wele full of collagen. I also have some eggs to pair this with. That is my choice of protein. I have tomato paste, a bit of onions, some vegetables, seasoning and oil. I will list each and every one again in the description box, so please kindly check it out. So here, as you can see, my wele is nicely prepped, cleaned and washed very neatly. And to that I'm going to add some chopped onions, all pepper seasoning, some curry powder and some salt to taste. I'll add enough water to get this cooking. It does take a little while for it to get ready. Let's give it 35 minutes. So on the other hand, I'm going to also boil some eggs. I chose egg to pair this with so that my protein will be intact. And do not belittle cow skin. It does contain lots of collagen, which is very nice for your skin and also for your bones and joints health. So be checking this out. It is really good. Okay, so after about 40 minutes of cooking my cow skin, it is nice and soft. So I'll go ahead and blend all my ingredients for my stew base. I blended some ginger, garlic, onions and some dried pepper for that heat and kick. I also added some cloves to it, blended it until they're nice and smooth, and once I'm done, I'll go ahead and also prep for the rest of my ingredients, which is some bell peppers, some tomatoes, and I also cut some few onions as well. And for the bell peppers, you can definitely go ahead and use any color of choice. Here I had some green bell peppers and a little slightly bit of red peppers, and that is all. I am done cutting everything, and the next step is to grill all my vegetables, as I want all my vegetables to be nice and smoky. That is what I'm going for this stew. It is so amazing. If you have a charcoal pot, please do this on. It is going to be even more amazing. All right, this is just incredible. Make sure it doesn't burn though, okay? Just grill it nice as you see on your screens. After grilling, go ahead and give everything a blend, and there you have it. You are done. Basically, the base of your stew is almost done. Add a little bit of water and just give it a blend until they're nice and smooth. All right, so in my pot I'm going to add a little touch of oil and add my chopped onions. I'll fry that for about 2 minutes and then add a tablespoon of dawa dawa, also known as fermented locust bean. This is going to give that local aroma that you need to feel in the stew. I'll fry that too for about a minute and then go in with my blended ginger, onions, garlic and some dried pepper, and of course a little bit of cloves as well. Just go ahead and fry that, cover it, allow the stew fry for an extra 5 minutes. Once done, add in your tomato paste. I went in with about 300 grams of tomato paste. Stir everything to combine, and what tomato paste can be very thick, so just add a little amount of water just to easing up the thickness a little bit. Once you're done with that, cover it, allow these all ingredients here to fry for an extra 10 minutes on a low to medium heat. All right. I really hope that you're learning a thing or two. Please, if you are, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps this channel grow. Alright, so it's important for you to stare, as you can see me do here. Now you have to cover it, allow this to fry for 10 extra minutes. Alright, now you can even notice that there's a little bit of oil floating on top, which is also very good. So I fry this on a low to medium heat, as you can see, and the more oil that floats on top, the better. It means that your tomato paste is nicely cooked. Now before you add all the other amazing grilled vegetables, so there you go, add everything here. Oh my goodness, the aroma from that alone is amazing. Stir everything to combine, and now introduce any seasoning of choice. Here I use some curry powder, nutmeg powder, smoked paprika powder, and some salt to taste. Just gently stir everything to combine again, and now you want to cover it. Allow the stew to fry on a low to medium heat for about 15 minutes. Once you're done with that, you go in with your Wele or cow. Okay, look at that gorgeousness. This cow skin is just amazing, very well seasoned, very well cooked, nice and very soft, not hard at all. So just gently stir everything together and then introduce your eggs as well. This is the combo that you need. You can enjoy this with your wache, enjoy it with any rice of your choice, and you're going to absolutely love it. I love me some freshness and some crunch, so I went in with some chopped spring onions, and oh my goodness, this stew was just incredibly tasty. Gently stir and cover. Allow this to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. After about 5 minutes of it simmering, this is what we got. It is absolutely incredibly tasty, and the aroma is everything. And oh boy, those eggs and Wele, my goodness, give me wache, give me some rice, and you are going to absolutely have the time of your life. Today we just paired it with some simple white rice, a bit of salad, and of course, if you have some ripe plantain, why not? Add some here, and you're going to absolutely enjoy. Can bless it with some avocados as well, and you're going to enjoy this so much. So there you have it, family. Check the stew and all the beauty of this dish. Are you not loving it? Please go ahead and try the stew, and you're not going to regret it at all. It was absolutely delicious. Thanks so much for watching, family, right to the end. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Please share with your friends and family. I am very sure they'll be so thankful you did. Do them that favor and they will love you even more. All right, and if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.